After a motorcycle accident in California, dealing with an uninsured driver can make recovery even more stressful. Without insurance, the at-fault driver may not have the funds needed to compensate you for your recovery costs from the injuries they caused. But California law offers other ways for accident victims to receive fair compensation. If you carry uninsured motorist coverage on your own insurance policy, it can help cover your hospital bills, rehabilitation, lost income, and repair or replace your motorcycle. A personal injury attorney can guide you through the process, negotiate with your insurer, and see that you receive the compensation you deserve. With the help of their legal expertise, your uninsured motorist coverage can give you peace of mind during your recovery and help you focus on healing. At Mason Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. And that starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you've been injured in a motorcycle accident in California, contact Mason Law right away.